So today I'll be building an F-16. It's designed in Google SketchUp. It will be made out of foam. I'll be using a 64mm EDF with a 60 amp ESC and the 1800 milliamp battery. So let's get started. So here are all the pieces cut out. Now I just have to bevel them. So now it's time to glue everything together, and I'll be using this hot glue gun, and that's it. Okay, so update on the model. It's almost complete. I have the canopy and the EDF inside. I've installed the servos, but no control linkages yet. Hopefully in a few hours I'll be done. So here's the finished model. The F-16. I'm using a Trinity 9X, and I have it set up on a 4x4. Which means that the elevator and the ailerons are connected. Using a 64mm EDF. I'm using a 1800 milliamp LiPo 3S 40C. I'm just using 2 servos. The ailerons and elevator are connected to 1 servo. There's no rudder on the model because probably don't need it. That's it. So thank you for watching. Hopefully by next week I'll have a video of it flying.